Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in a new apartment. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour of my new Atlanta apartment. I've been in Atlanta for like the past few years, but I didn't do an apartment tour in my last place, but I did one in this place. And as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. It's pretty short because I had a lot to do, so I couldn't sit there and give you guys the details of you know, the cabinet space and all of that. So I couldn't give you guys full details of the apartment, so my apologies for how short this apartment tour is, but you know what, we have more to come. You guys can see in full details in my vlogs. But I'm so excited for this move, and congratulations to anybody who has moved this year and is planning to move. I hope that you find a place that you're looking for, and it is stressful and it does take time, but girl, it's all worth it. So I'm gonna get into the video. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the living room. The living room is one of the things that sold me because I feel like I can do so much in there. It is so spacious. Aside from the kitchen, I love the window placement. I love how it's 3 of them and it's in a good place. Like, it's not too low and it's not too high. I actually lied. It is very high. You guys are gonna definitely need a stool for this. I think these windows are like 6 feet if I'm not mistaken. The laundry has stacked washer and dryer, which I absolutely love because I've never had stacked washer and dryer. The only thing is I was like, where am I gonna put my laundry stuff? Next up is the freaking kitchen. You guys, this 100% sold me. The cabinet space, the colors, the backsplashes, the stove, everything about it sold me completely. I am so in love with this kitchen, you guys. I actually be in this kitchen like it's my bedroom. Another thing that sold me with this apartment was the floors. As you guys can see, that the floors are wooden throughout the entire place and they're gray, and I love that so much. The sink is a single sink. It's not a double sink, which I like because I feel like a double sink I don't have as much space, if that makes sense. But this single sink is really deep and it's wide and I absolutely love it. I don't know how I did not notice how cute the refrigerator was. It is super tall and it has so much space in there. I've always wanted a refrigerator like this that has one side freezer, one side refrigerator, aside from it being freezer at the top, refrigerator at the bottom. I've always wanted a refrigerator like that, and I'm so glad that there was one in here, and I was so happy, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put so much freaking freezer containers in here. The bathroom is also very beautiful, guys. Everything about this is beautiful. What I did not notice though until I got there was there was a shower, and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, because I've always wanted a shower. But the bathroom is super big. This video do not give it any justice. The bathroom is huge. And also what I like about the entire apartment is that the ceilings are 9 feet high. So girl, it doesn't feel like you're living in a box. You're literally living up high, regardless what floor you're on, and I absolutely love that. Now on to my bedroom. The bedroom clip is very short because I had to go, but I love my bedroom. It doesn't have like that freaking triangle shape that Georgia loves to put in their apartments. This is like literally a regular squared room, which I love because I can look right at my TV from the front of my bed. You guys, that is so annoying. That's kind of what I was really looking for for a bedroom. Like, can I look at my TV from the front and not from the side? But yes, guys, that concludes the apartment tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the next video.